Cheekyricho's Chicken and Mushroom Crepes. Hi, and welcome to Cheekyricho's Chicken and Mushroom Crepes. Today we'll be making our chicken and mushroom mornay, stuffing our crepes and then baking them in the oven. It's a great way to use leftover white sauce or leftover barbecue chicken. The ingredients will be in the recipe box below, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do into a bowl is just tip our cooked barbecue chicken that has been boned out and cut into chunks about so big, with some freshly cracked pepper, some veggie salt, onion, some mushrooms. We're just using raw mushrooms that have been sliced thinly here, and our pre-prepared white sauce. I've shown you how to make this before. Just a bechamel sauce there. Just mix this all around, leave it to one side while we prepare our crepes. So that's what you should have there. Stand this to one side. Okay, now we've laid our crepes out. We're going to divide our chicken and mushroom mixture equally between the 4 crepes. Spread it out down the center. Oh, there's a bit greedy. We just roll them like so. Now we just spray a plate that's capable of going into the oven. Our crepes into that plate. Drizzle our cream over the top. Sprinkle with our grated tasty cheese. And into a moderate oven for about 25 minutes. I'm just going to put a sprinkle of cayenne on the top of that, just for colour and for flavour. Okay, our chicken and mushroom crepes are hot from the oven. We're just going to serve them now. Okay, we just divide them, lift them out. Little parsley. And there you have it, Cheekyricho's Chicken and Mushroom Crepes. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, please check out my Cheekyricho channel. And don't forget to please subscribe. Do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you. And thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Cheekyricho's Chicken and Mushroom Crepes.